Welcome to Process Asia Pacific Studio. My name is Donghui Kim, Managing Director, Process Asia Pacific.
And my name is Ray. I'm a food technologist, Process Asia Pacific.
As most of you are working from home, we would like to providing this fantastic live streaming of this chocolate ganache. We hope you find this streaming enjoyable and informative.
Yep.
And today we are going to show you how to make the chocolate ganache. Ray,
Yes, Donghui.
we mentioned that it's easy and quick. And how easy is that so?
It's really easy in the sense that you don't have very much raw material here. It's only two, which is the cocoa couverture and whipping cream. And easy as in all in with our machine.
All right.
It's really, really easy.
Let me have a look at it. What is the
Yeah.
ingredient list?
It's here. Yep.
By the way, I'd like to check that if all of you can hear us very well, because this is a live streaming. So whenever you have a question, please type it, and you could mention your name so we could recognize you. Thank you for your cooperation. Very good. And let's have a look at the ingredient list.
It's here, right? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see that there's almost half of ingredient is chocolate couverture.
Yes, you are right.
And the rest is chocolate. What is it? Is whipping cream? Is another form of dairy cream. And I see that the cognac is there.
Cognac.
Is that all three ingredients? That's it.
Yeah, that's all you need for a good chocolate ganache, Donghui.
Very good.
Yeah.
Maybe I can choose anything from my side.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, let's have a look what I can choose. Obviously, I like to go for the chocolate couverture.
Good choice.
And this one is cocoa contents of 70.5%.
Yeah, this is a very dark chocolate,
Okay.
70.5%, so it gives a lot of bitterness, very intense flavor.
Actually,
Yeah.
that's my preference. How about you over here, actually?
So this goes in first.
Hi, Maki. Very good. Then, obviously, I go for this dairy cream.
Yeah, this dairy cream contains around 38 to 40% of fat, so it gives a very rich taste for the chocolate ganache.
So it contributes a taste profile.
Taste and texture,
Texture
and
as
the
well.
mouthfeel, of course. Yeah,
But are we able to get this easily from the supermarket?
yeah, of course, it's readily available in the supermarket.
Fantastic.
Yeah. So second. Right.
And I see that all of you wondering what bottle I'm holding it. This is a cognac. And just like to remind you that each different country do have a different set of regulation. So please check with your regulator what is the maximum content in the product. So I'm going to pour this in the glass.
Do you know how much is 5%?
Let me check with my hand lotion. There you go.
Okay. Wow.
I actually have this fragrance, but how does cognac works in the chocolate ganache?
Chocolate is okay. Cognac works in diluting down the cocoa, of course, and of course it gives some aroma, alcohol aroma to the chocolate.
Okay, very good. So it's obviously that as long as you want to use other type of alcohol, that you are also able to using it.
No, of course,
Okay,
no problem.
very good. Then what is the next step that we are going to do it?
Okay, next we're gonna use the machine to mix all the mixture.
Okay.
And then after that we're gonna heat it up to 42 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna cool it down to around 28 degrees Celsius. And the entire process is with, this is the magic, the vacuum.
Okay.
Yep.
So the one cooking actually board able to take the hot and cold process all in one.
Yeah.
And on top of that,
Yeah.
we have a vacuum feature
Yes, yes.
to that like taking a products, the oxygens or air bubbles within the product.
Yes, yes. This is to remove the oxygen from the product. At the same time, it gives a much dense more density for the product, so it
Okay.
improves the mouthfeel.
All right,
Pretty
and also of course that it can extend the shelf life as well.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good.
Right.
Shall we start?
Yep. We can start the mixing.
Okay. You let me know when you are applying a vacuum so that the camera too can address.
Yep. Okay, we are doing it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I already see that this flashing from the product.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are targeting around 200 millibar absolute pressure for this product. So it's
Maybe
very, very high vacuum.
just giving us some
Yeah.
idea, what is the atmospheric pressure? It is around 1013 millibar. So we are bringing the pressure level down to 200 millibar. So in other words, we are applying 80% of vacuum during this whole process.
Yep.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Check this out. We are already at 42.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's unbelievable.
We can start the cooling.
It's really instant.
It's very, very fast. And I can see that the mixture is pretty much well mixed. The chocolate is already melted.
Okay.
I can feel it, so we can definitely
You
start.
actually
with
get the
cooling.
feeling from this handle.
Yeah, you can feel the tension
Okay.
of it, the resistance.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So now we are switching to the cooling process.
Yep.
All right. I believe that it takes a bit of time. What is our target temperature to be cooled down?
We are targeting around 28 degrees Celsius. That is more or less enough to maintain the flow of the
Okay.
chocolate ganache. So later on, we are able to pour, right? We don't want it to be too cold,
Okay.
and it will be too stiff.
Okay. In the meantime, because our audience is wondering what other type of product can be used processed by UMC5 here. So we can introduce a different
sure.
working tool.
Sure, sure.
So let me have a look. Starts from this. What is this tool about?
This one we call it the granulating tool.
Okay.
It's actually very good for applications such as powder mixers, like cake mixers, spice mix. So it's able to give a very, very homogeneous mixing.
All right.
Yeah.
And I can see that another is a blunt knife over here. And
Yep.
which application this tool can be used?
This one usually we target a product with high starch, such as tomato, ketchup, or chili sauce.
So eventually you like to give a less shear force to the product.
Absolutely, you are right.
Okay.
You are on point.
Okay,
Yep.
good. And my last one is, it looks very similar to the mixing engine just now, what actually been shown, but the position of this wing is really at the bottom level. And
Yep.
where is it actually can be used for?
Okay, all right. First of all, this one we call it the emulsifying tool.
All right.
And it's extremely effective for products such as a mayonnaise, which you need to create emulsion, because
Okay.
usually water phase is the level is a bit low.
Okay.
So this lowly positioned knife is able to expel the powder, and it gives a very good mixing in the
Fantastic.
beginning itself. Yeah.
So we can have a mayonnaise demonstration for the next trial.
That's in the schedule.
Okay, very good. So how's it now? What is the temperature that we have reached?
Let's check. We are at 30.
We are about there
Yeah,
actually.
we are about there.
What was our target temperature? Now it's quiz to you. What was the target temperature that product need to be cooled down? Anyone could answer it. I see it. Okay, our target temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Yep.
As one machine could heat it up and cool down within one processing machine. Very good.
Yeah, I think we are ready. We are at 29, around
Okay.
29, so I think we can stop.
Very good.
Yeah. So first of all, we need to stop the mixing first, and then after that, we can proceed to stop.
This is
the
a
vacuum.
procedure.
Yeah,
What is the
yeah.
protocol that you are
Yep.
switching off?
Yes,
Right.
yes. Of course, we have to go with the knife first, because if we stop the vacuum first and the knife is mixing, and then we are actually giving more turbulence.
You're right.
So,
Whenever you have a question, please type it and we are back to you. Okay.
Okay.
You hear that just now, the aeration, so that we are actually, the machine is being aerated. Then you are able to open the lid. Very good. Now this is a very exciting moment.
All right.
Because we can check the end result.
Let's see.
Wow.
Okay. It's nice here.
Okay, I actually can
We might-
smell the fragrance as well.
Yep. It's very nice. Check this out, don't we?
Look
Oh.
at it. I don't see any burbers on the surface.
Yeah, it's very shiny. It's very, very smooth.
And also it's very glossy here.
Wow.
This is what's supposed to be. And you said that it needs to be settled, right?
Yeah, it has to be settled at least overnight so that it sets and it doesn't flow when you want to
Okay.
consume it.
All right. Look at this. And there is no any burbers on the surface. Have a look at it. Fantastic. Fantastic. I just like move it a little bit around for you to see it. Okay. So I assuming that we have the ready product because we don't have much time to be waiting.
Yes.
So this is what you have made last night
Yes,
or
last
yesterday. Thank you for your contribution.
You're welcome.
Good. Now I have it looks like an ice cream scoop. What I'm going to do is I'm just scooping. Okay, just for your information. This is really well settled. Okay. Now I have it here. Then I'm going to make a board, just giving you some idea how it's going to be look like. So I have a chocolate board. There you go. This is a ganache, and with just like this, and it's not really representable yet. So in need of toppings. So I'm going to coat it with cocoa powder, and this is I like to represent you over here. There you go. This is ganache. We just made it within actually 10 minutes time, and
It's very quick and it's extremely easy.
and you are able to have this chocolate guitar, and you are able to make the tablet type of
Yes.
chocolate ganache
Yeah,
as
if
well.
you have a guitar, that will make life so much easier.
Okay.
Because
Here, let me have a nice cutting. Just all right, smoothly. Okay.
Wow.
That made a nice cut. Okay.
yeah, it's really nice.
All right. And then I like to show you. Maybe turn this like this, and then I can show you the edge. The importance is even it is being cut, and it shows a nice edge. Okay, over here, like that. And this is what you found in the department store and chocolatier house. Actually, per one chocolate ganache tablet cost
Wow.
about.
$1 to $2. Just one cube, imagine
It is a chocolate gold, actually. Right.
how profitable can it be.
Good for you. And I'd like to show you more applied application here.
All right, wow, it's so pretty.
It is. And there is a, sorry, I've just put like a lot of some marks here though, but just give this is an example that how the chocolate ganache can be transformed in different type of product. Starts from here is a white chocolate coating, and you have a chocolate rice coating.
Yeah.
And that rainbow rice coating is what my daughter actually favorite. And this is, what is this?
This is coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes, and that would be walnut.
Walnut. You can put hazelnut or
Hazelnut as
almond,
well.
yeah, all the nuts.
And this is?
This is chocolate mint.
Mint.
Yep.
And this is something what I just made it.
Yep.
Chocolate ganache
Yes.
with
Cocoa powder coating.
Very good. This is a very interesting trial, and Meg have the demonstration for you because we intend to show you how easy to make chocolate ganache, and there's nothing complexity is here because the machine will do the rest of the job for you.
Yes.
By the way, due to the coronavirus measures happens in Singapore, in April time, we are not able to make a live demonstration, but we will come back soon in May. So beginning of May, the 5th day of May, we will make another product demonstration.
Yes.
Actually, the 5th of May is Children's Day in Korea, so let us hope all the best. And then stay safe, and we will see you soon. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you,
and your
guys.
participants.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. And let's have our chocolate ganache.
Oh, okay. Wow.
There you go.
Cheers.
We are
Proxys.